Ayan, third quarter tayo. Let's go! 4-3. Bang! By Halili. Ayan na, running shot. In and out. 36-34 ang ating talaan. Number 6, pull up, basket. Almeida, pass to Halili. Halili. Noblano, jump shot is good. Huli! 8 seconds! Right away. Bounce pass. Uy, number 6. Bawin. Pass to Sevilla. Pass to Jake. Halili, 4-3. Uy, no good. Rebound by number 6. Pass to number 12. To DK. DK cross, drive. Uy! DK manahan. Four, three, short. Rebound by DK. Crossover, DK drive, block. Rebound. Uy, nakalusot. 42-38, let's go. Pass to Halili. Adam, pass to Jake. Almeida, floater, basket. 42-40. Ayun, double team. Oh, steal. Adam. Tabla tayo sa 42. 42, oh, let's go. Defense. Ayun na, sa number 4. Pass to. Outlet pass to number 12. Spin, drive. Wala, rebound by Sevilla. Pass to Adam. Adam, they discarte. Setting on the play. Adam. Looking for his teammate. Pass to. What a pass. Noblano. Bang! Favor, lamang na tayo ng dalawa. Andre. 8 seconds. 8. Ay na, Biligay. Running shot. In and out. Rebound. Let's go. By Jake Almeida. Pass to Adam. Outlet pass. Noblado all the way. Basket is good. 46-42. Isagon with the ball. Isagon. Bilagted pass. Still. By Sevilla. Pass to Adam. Kulang. Adam ng kamadali. Adam dire-diretso. Biligay. Halili. Too strong. Rebound. Ay na si DK. Alahan. But there's a foul by Jake Almeida. 46-42. 4-point lead para sa ating magibagong San Juan. Substitution, Solano coming in. 6 minutes and 18 seconds. DK manahan on the free throw area. Wala. Box out, guys. Let's go.
Natin ha. Tandaan Solano. Coach mo naman ng yellow. Ice.
Solano setting on the play. Solano. There's a foul. Good defense. Good hustle by Solano. Let's go, Jake. Let's go. Almeida looking for his teammate. Pass to Solano. Solano back to Jake. Jake. Binigay. Noblano umatake. Whoa, too strong. Rebound. Makuha ni Cruz. Cruz. Pass to Villanueva. Pass to DK. DK cross. Step back to short. Rebound. Cruz. Wala. Rebound by Noblano. Pass to Solano. Pass to Sevilla. Let's go. Atake. Cruz. Halili for three. No good. Rebound by Solano. Side step. No good. Sevilla with a putback. 48-42. 6-point lead. Para sa ating makabagong San Juan Heroes. DK. Drop pass to Cruz. Oh. Hayabol pa ni Cruz. Let's go. Solano. Pass to Jake. Jake di diskarte. Pass to Solano. Recover by Jake. Noblano miss. Rebound by Cruz. Outlet pass to DK. Manahan spin. Ooh, there's a foul. That's a trouble. Let's go. Solano, may tanga ng bola. Solano. Pass to Jake. Halili to Sevilla. Ooh. Wala, bawi. Bawi, Sean, bawi. Manahan, pass to Cruz. Cruz. Pass to DK. Manahan, di diskarte. Manahan. Cross-court pass. 4-3. In and out. Rebound. Solano, pass to Jake. Back to Solano. Solano. Halili. Noblano. Reverse layup. Basket is good. By Noblano. Defense. Huli. Nakitawid. Cruz. Binigay. Zaraspe. Miss. Rebound by Sevilla. But there's a foul. 6-point lead para sa ating mga bagong San Juan Heroes. Halili, di diskarte, pass to Solano. Solano, Sevilla. At the post, Sevilla. Umatake, short, rebound by Cruz. Pass to DK. Manahan. Cross. Binigay, Cruz. Sorry, that's a basket, it's good. Boys. By number 12. Solano, pass to Halili. Halili, back to Solano. Pass to Jake. Jake. Noblano, spin, drive. Basket! By Noblano. Ayra, munti ka na magawan. Zaraspe, pass to Manahan. Manahan drive, up and under. By DK, Manahan. Solano na mamadali. Pass to Noblano. Noblano, bang! 40-54, 48. Let's go, defense! Ayan na. DK, nagmamadali. DK, drop pass to Cruz. Whoa! 54-50. Ay nasa Solano. Pass to Halili. Back to Jake. Jake. Pass to Halili. Halili. Drive. Whoa! Short. Rebound. By DK. Manahan ang mamadali. Manahan drive. Uy! Wala.
Nakikita ni Coach yung umulikat na sa'yo, si Villa.
There, this is third. 13 ball, North Supply.
Umulikat na si Villa.
Exit mo tao!
Hindi, sabihin mo na lang sa ano. Alili! 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 Daniel! Daniel!
Binubuhat ka ng pangit.
Jake, down by 2. Adam, pass to Jake. Jake, binigay. Noblano, spin. Noblano, short. Alili! Sabi sa coach. Last 1 minute tayo. Let's go. Zaraspe. Nasa corner. Oh, steal by Adam. Let's go, Adam. All yours. Adam. Extra pass. Almeida, block. One minute.
Coach kayo!
Sakit ka na?
Tao!
Kaya pa? Kaya pa?
Let's go, Bawi. Let's go. Defense. Zaraspe. Pass to Manahan. Back to the Zaraspe. 4-3. Block. Rebound by Cruz. Cruz. Reverse. No good. Rebound. Here comes Noblano. Ay na double team. Noblano. Matake. Gets the foul. Para kay Cruz.
Foul on number 71, Luke Manan. That is first personal foul. That is his third.
That is third personal foul for DK Manahan. Penalty. Last 54 seconds.
Shot number 14.
Jake looking for his teammate. Cross-court pass. Halili, top of the key for 3. No good. Rebound by Cruz. Number 10 is Sagol, short. Rebound by Halili. Pass to Adam. Adam nagmamadali. Adam. Pass to Noblano. Noblano drive. In and out. Outlet pass. Zaraspe. Uy! What a nice play by Zaraspe. Let's go. Jake. Pass to Adam. Back to Jake. Jake, atake. Jake. Running shot. Too strong. Rebound. Jake. What an extra pass. Adam floater. Wala. Rebound by Sevilla. Noblano. And that's the end of our third quarter. Official score 54 all. Tayo na daw na po sa ating fourth and last quarter. Back to the ball game.
Sabi. Talagang wala. Wala.
Start of the fourth quarter.
Fourth and quarter. Let's go. Ito na ang magkakalaman kung sino ang papasok sa finals. Let's go. Number 25, Hesi. Kick out. Number 5, 4-3. Whoa. Right jersey, number 5. Noah Zamora. Pass to Adam. Adam, binigay. Jay, catch and shoot. No good. Rebound. Adam. Basket is good. By Potia and Adam. DK, floater, wala. Rebound by Sevilla. Pass to Potian. Adam. Pass to Noblano. Spin. Drive. Basket is good. Jake Taylor. By our Macabagong San Juan Heroes. 58-57. Kick out, 4-3. Goal! Right jersey number 9. 60-58. Pass to Sevilla. Sevilla drive. Tabla ulit tayo sa 60. Number 5. Pass to number 10. Binigay sa gitna. Hesi, drive, running shot. Oh, good. Rebound again. Steal. And that's a stepping on the line.
Shot clock at 14 seconds.
14 seconds. Shot clock to shoot. Isagon 4-3. Too strong. Rebound by Noah Zamora. Pass to Adam. Outlet pass. Noblano fake. Noblano using the board and score. Change. Igor, balik na sa atin ang kalamangan. 62-60. The guy, Hesi, number 5. Drive, running shot at may sagot ang Philip Jets basketball. Noah Zamora out of bounds.
Shot clock at 20 seconds.
Almeida with the ball, pass to Adam. Potian. Pass to Noah Zamora. Back to Adam. Bigay sa loob. Sevilla. What extra pass. Block. One behind. Ayun na, nagmamadali. Up and under. By Isagon. Balik ang kalamangan sa PhilAm Nation. 64-62. Adam, pass to Jake. Almeida. Pass to Adam, cross. Adam drive, floater, no good. Rebound by Noah Zamora. Pass to Almeida, 4-3. In and out, rebound. Noblano with a basket. 64 all. Isagon, Iligay. Back to Isagon. Number 35, Iligay. DK 4-3. Manahan. That's a down 3 points from the corner. 67-64. Adam with the ball. Pass to Babawi sa 3. Yes, sir! Technical. Aga celebrate.
Technical ball, number 24, players That's his fourth.
Negosyo na talaga. shot, wala. Go deep. Time remaining, 6 minutes and 1 second. Tama. Let's go, defense! Defense! Isagon setting on the play. Isagon running shot. Basket. Adam. Drop pass. Ooh. Noblano, 4-3. No good. Let's go, defense, Maui. 69-67, 2-point lead para sa Jets. Isagon. Sidestep. Good, 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 good. Official timeout. 5 minutes and 21 seconds. Official timeout. Let's go. Red, 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 red.
8 seconds to shoot.
Bad pass.
8 seconds.
Bounce pass number 12. Easy basket. Miscommunication there para sa ating mga bagong sanuan. Adam 4-3. No good. Rebound. Sevilla gets the foul. Oh, tagal. On the free throw area, jersey number 14, Datshan Sevilla. Correction, this number 24, Noblano. Soblano, Daniel. Let's go. 2 free throw para kay Sean Sevilla. Basket. Hands up lang, defense! Time remaining, 5 minutes and 3 seconds. Huli! Good! Gotta go for it. Baba, go! 8 seconds! Good defense! 69, 71. Dalawa, 69, 71. Let's go. Sevilla. Spin. Up and under. Basket. Tabla tayo. 71. Defense. Uy, nakalusot. 73, 71. Adam. Putian. Back to Jake. Almeida. Steal. Pfizer Aspe. Sorry, that's number 4. Pass to DK. Number 4. Tumira. Adam. Pass to Jake. Back to Adam. Adam di diskarte. Adam binigay. Uy. Running shot. Pass. Ito. 75, 73. Defense. Huli. Number 34. Pop. Tumira. Oh. Nakasagot. Number 10, Hesi. Pass to Sevilla. And gets 5 fouls. Five na.
Foul number 71. DJ Manan, that's his fourth. First team, second team foul.
Ball movement, 4-3, short. Rebound by DK. Manahan, number 4, nakalusot. Timeout, mabago San Juan. 79, 73. Time remaining 3 minutes and 1 seconds. Ay, sir. Sige po.
Pinipilit ka. Gusto magkano? Wala na itong bukas.
Let's go. 3 minutes and 1 seconds. Let's go. Bagong San Juan Heroes. Jake Almeida. Villamora gets the foul.
Number 1, Renton Cruz, that's his third. 14 foul for Philadelphia.
Halili shooting for 2. First shot, in and out. Let's go, Halili. Basket is good. Down by 5.
Nag-rotate, oh. Ayaw.
Timeout, Philip Nation Jets.
Philem Nation
Kalaban,
Jets.
legs eh. Tayo no legs.
74-79. 5-point lead for Philem Nation Jets.
5 points lang yan, no?
Kunti lang yan, kaya pa yan.
5 points. Wala pa lang 3 minutes pa yan.
Pass to DK. Number 71, boom. Number 5, all the way. Run and shot and score. Defense! Pressure, pressure! Uy! Let's go, let's go! Solano.
Last 2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes tayo. Kick out. Jake, step back 3. Short. Kapan! Come on! Time out.
Hindi naman nanalo sa style yan.
Time remaining 1 minute and 51 seconds. Defense!
Bawi kayo! 5 lang yan, 5!
Uy! Correct sa pass. Drop ball. Oy, short! Tinapos na. Defense! Let's go! Jake. Good shots. Basket. Let's go, Jake. Basket, 2 for 2. Defense. Oh, no good. Rebound, Cruz. Tagal ang Jets basketball. Pull up. Using the board. All good.
Yan po yung good player niya. Okay, ulit. Gawa. Kaya dapat tayo.
Last 10 seconds. At dito na po nagtatapos ng ating laban.
And in the fourth quarter, we have the Buffaloes and the Heroes. It's a
Alright, congratulations. What a nice game to our mga bago sa naman. And congratulations sa Phil-Am Nations Jets Basketball. At sila na po ang papasok sa finals. Alright, our final score 89-75 or 78. Congratulations para sa Phil-Am Nation Jets. And nice game to our mga bagong San Juan. Congrats! Hanggang sa muli po. Good luck, everyone. Maraming salamat po. Ayan, maraming pong salamat sa inyong panonood and God bless everyone. Hanggang sa muli. This is your mga bagong San Juan Heroes. Please don't forget to like and share and follow me on Facebook. Maraming salamat po.